guys, today we talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do, just click on settings. When you just click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on reviewing here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, then you just click here on double tap time interval. Just click on it here, and here can you add here double tap time interval here. Then you click on OK, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.